Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today's lesson, absolute values. What is an absolute value? An absolute value is the distance a number is from zero. An absolute value of a positive number stays the same. Of a negative number, it becomes positive. And of zero, it stays zero.
Example 1. Find the absolute value of negative 5. As you know, the absolute value of a negative number becomes positive, so the answer is positive 5. This is because the distance of negative 5 is 5 units from 0. Example 2. To solve for x of an absolute value, the absolute value must be isolated, which it already is. Then you create two separate equations without the absolute value signs and equal one equation to positive 4 and the other equation to negative 4. Get x alone by adding 2 to both sides and you get two answers, x equals 6 and x equals negative 2.
Now we're doing a check step to make sure 6 and negative 2 are the correct answers. As you can see, for each equation, both sides are equal to each other. Example 3. Solve for x by isolating the absolute value of 2x minus 6 by subtracting 1 from both sides. You then write two equations without the absolute value signs, equaling one equation to positive 4 and the other to negative 4. Then solve for x by adding 6 to both sides and dividing 2x by 2 and 10 by 2. X ends up equaling 5. When you solve the other equation, x equals 1. As you can see in the check step, both sides are equal when you plug in 5 for one equation and 1 for the other equation. Example 4. Solve for x by isolating the absolute value by multiplying both sides by 5. Separate the absolute value of negative x plus 3 into two equations. Negative x plus 3 equals 10 and negative x plus 3 equals negative 10. Solve for x by subtracting 3 from both sides, then dividing both sides by negative 1. Finally, you get x equals 7 or x equals 13. By doing the check step, we have made sure that x equals negative 7 and x equals 13 are the correct answers. Thanks for watching.
I'm Melanie.
And I'm Celine. Like and subscribe.